Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Circle account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Circle account, start by navigating to the Circle website. Look for the sign up or get started button and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on the continue button. Check your email for a verification link sent by Circle. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your email address. Next, you will be directed to create a password for your account. Choose a strong password and enter it in the designated field. Confirm your password by entering it again in the following field. Once your password is set, click on the Create Account button. Now, you may be asked to provide additional information, such as your name and phone number. Fill in the required fields and click Next to proceed. If prompted, verify your phone number by entering the code sent via SMS. After verification, you may need to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Read through them and check the appropriate box to accept. Once everything is complete, click on the Activate Account button. Your Circle account is now activated. You can log in using your email and password at any time. Explore the features and enjoy using your Circle account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.